Hi, my name is Jeff. Welcome back to my workshop. As we continue work on the Burdick Freight Dock kit, we're going to start by painting the walls. I'm using a folk art pale gray paint, and we'll use a sponge to apply it to the walls that we stained in the last video. And I just want to get a little bit of paint on the edge of the sponge, and then I'm going to knock a lot of it off on the cardboard here, just so I can get because I want to get a peeled paint effect. So I just want to dab it on, and a light touch works well here. The harder you press down on it, the heavier the paint's going to apply. And we're going to hit up all 4 walls doing the same method, all 5 walls in this case, with the same technique. I tend to go a little heavier towards the top and lighter towards the bottom because you're going to see more peeled paint at the bottom. We'll just finish up the last of the walls, and then set these aside to dry while we work on the windows and trim. For the trim in the windows, I'm using Craft Smart red paint. These are acrylic paints. I just get them at the craft store. And again, I'm going to use a sponge to just apply the paint to the windows. I've already stained these with the same India ink wash we used on the walls and the trim. It doesn't show as well and absorbs differently in this material because this is more of a cardstock type material than a wood. We'll also use that same paint to apply it to the wood trim. We want to make sure we go over the entire length of it and get all 4 sides. By painting all 4 sides, we don't have to worry about which sides are being glued to the walls so that the painted sides are facing out. Okay, and as I finish these up, I also want to remind you that next video we will start adding the trim to the walls and installing the windows. And if you enjoyed this content, want to see more of it, please make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. Also, please give this a big thumbs up and hit that like button for the YouTube algorithms. It does help. I'm trying to grow the channel, and I look forward to my first milestone of 100 subscribers. We're not even halfway there yet, so please subscribe and help us out. Thank you.